Alrighty, just got back from Las Vegas. Took this AH3 1990 R32 GT-R out to the Elite Tuner event out there. Just wanted to do a quick walk around video of the car to show everybody what it looks like and a couple things about GT-Rs in general. So this is an AH3 car out of the 43,896 cars that they made. 2,364 of them were AH3 or this red. And in a Series 1 car, which this is a Series 1 because it's a 1990, 558 of them were AH3. Like I said, I just got back, so I still have all my junk in here. Most of it anyway. So down here you have your trunk and your fuel door release. So pops your fuel. And of course these cars don't have a filler neck restrictor, so sometimes they're a pain in the ass to fill up because the nozzle, especially here in California, the nozzle doesn't really fit in there right. So anyway, and then the trunk, there is a valet on the trunk, and so what can happen is if you pull that and the valet is on, you can't open the trunk. So there is a little latch that's right here, and so if the latch is down, this one is kind of jammed up. If it's down, it doesn't open, and then when it's up, it does. So there it goes. If it's down, the switch won't work, and then if it's up, it will. So like I said, this one's a little bit hard, but it's up. So we see the trunk in an R32. So on this side, we have usually the jack and the tools down in there, and then underneath the carpet we have a space saver spare, and then in this corner on this car, though it's a little hard to see, but this is where the Tessa reservoir is, so gotta be cognizant of that if you ever need to check anything with the Tessa. So on the GT-R, the badges are actually color-coded. So inside here, normally what you'll see for sale are all gunmetal, but this is a proper AH3 badge on this car. So and then this car is a winter package car, and you know it's a winter package car by the heated mirrors. So it has a little different design for the mirror control. And what else is in here that's somewhat interesting? So let's pop the hood. Sometimes the hoods can be real hard to pop on these things, so they just need to be lubricated every now and again, more often than every 25 years or so. So let's see. Sorry. So another clue that this car is a winter package car is it has a large battery and big terminals as a regular SAE terminals on it versus the JIS Japanese size terminal. So this is I said a large battery for Japan. So this car is, again, it's an AH3, so that's the original color. And a few things under here underneath the hood. RB26 DTT. So I've heard people tell me that the R32 didn't come with the RB26. Heard it quite a lot actually, but they did in fact come with it. It does say that on the, it does say that right here on this plate. You can see this is an R32 and it comes with an RB26, which is 2,568 cc's. Okay, and this car has some work wheels on it, factory brakes, and let's start it up. AC off. So I just drove here, so it's pretty warm. Here, RB26, she sounds a little, because it's all lifter engine, and you can hear the injectors normally, so make a bit of noise. Alrighty. I think that's about the end of this car. Thank you.